Hi guys, how is everybody doing? On this video, I actually wanted to go over some of the properties and savings and things that you can find depending on the areas that you are looking to travel to. Um, we have hotel savings, condo, cruises, cars, dream vacations, and what's really cool is the owner is actually put together when we're actually sharing this opportunity out there. They have set it up so that the people will periodically win vacations when they've opted into to have a look at what my $20 travel is. And you know what, guys, that the value in this is like underestimated. They could possibly call it my $2,000 travel business, to be quite honest with you. So I wanted to select here the hotels. For example, we're going to go on. We have over 1 million hotel deals worldwide. And we're talking, these are deals, where the masses are paying, like, let's say they're going to the Omni or the Plaza or whatever, and they're in New York, and they're paying like $500 a night. We are actually paying a fraction of that. So I wanted to, just cite some, examples here for you. So anyway, so I am, let me see, hotel savings. Let me go ahead and click on this here. Bear with me. Okay, hold on just a moment. Here are some of the properties, guys, that you're looking at. Like here's one listed here where it's, the condo deals, obviously, of $249 per week. Okay, and these are some of the property locations. You also have access, and these are actually these are members that have made use of the properties, and they're literally saying, hey, for the price of a pizza, this is what you get. You get savings on major cruise lines, right? So your major cruise lines, if it's Norwegian, if it's Royal Caribbean, you name it, you can actually cash flow on your traveling. That's essentially what you're doing with this. So you get to obviously participate in that. You get great deals on the car rentals, right, guys? You recognize these brands: Alamo, Avis, Budget, Hertz, National Car Rental, Enterprise. So you get the savings when you're renting the cars, wherever you're going. In fact, I'm actually going to be going to Vegas this next week, and I'm going to give you an inside look of what the rooms would be like, what a person is typically going to pay, and then what we end up actually paying with this membership, which is phenomenal. Plus I'll get to show you some of the sites and things from Vegas. So your $3,000 Platinum Dream Vacation. So as a Platinum member, there's literally 3 levels to this, guys. There's the $1, which includes lots of savings, coupons, discounts, at the $1 level. Then you have the Gold level, which is $20, and you have the Platinum level, which is $100. So at the Platinum level, you will accumulate vacation points. So basically on your Gold and Platinum, you have travel perks. At the $1, you don't, but you can share the business. And essentially how it works is when you've got 2 partners in, your business essentially is paid for because you're earning a 50% commission on those Gold memberships. So it's $10 commissions on those, and then it's $50 commissions on the $100 Platinum level. So anyway, basically when you have 12 points, you can receive a luxury 5-star dream vacation valued up to $3,000. And I know last week when they did the webinar for the company, they literally, just for attendance, it was a surprise thing. They literally gave away, guys, a $3,000 Mexico vacation just for attending the webinar. A person was randomly chosen. It was absolutely fantastic. This company has been around for 14 years. It's solid. The owner is just had a huge vision. He's like, I want to set millions of families free. And allow them to travel for less. A lot of people are held back in travel because they think in their mind they cannot afford it. But when you start looking at what you have at your fingertips, it's just absolutely incredible. So, here's a dream, obviously, vacation. Here you're obviously going to Mexico. You can see the accommodations, guys. The accommodations are luxury. They are absolutely luxury. And I wanted to really kind of cover, right here, this is what it says. As a platinum member, you automatically participate in our vacation savings program, receive 1 dream vacation point each month you are a platinum member. Okay, so you receive 1 more point for each member that you personally refer. So remember, guys, they were saying 12. So, when you refer 6 people, let's say, you're referring 12 people. Once you have 12 points, you request your $3,000 luxury vacation. And you know what, guys, this is not going to cost you. You're doing this for $20, essentially. And so you can do obviously Orlando, Vegas. All you pay for is the accommodations per night. So whatever the tax is in that city. So essentially, it's going to run you, let's say, anywhere from $17 to, let's say, $45 a night, depending on, or $33 a night, that kind of thing, depending on where you're staying. Obviously, the more higher end, your taxes, are going to be higher. But still, guys, that's a fraction. That's a fraction. Of what the average person is paying. So you're truly getting wholesale pricing for, being a member of this. It pays to be a member. When you hear that statement, it pays to be a member. And, why have a home-based business? For many reasons, for tax reasons. It's an automatic, if you have a good tax person, it's an automatic $6,000 a year write-off for you and your family. And a lot of people, when they are business owners, they are looking for write-offs, especially when people really get up into the higher levels. They're making better money. We have people that are doing $5,000 a month in this, $3,000 a month, $7,000 a month, $10,000 a month, and more. Okay, and they're tapping in. They're getting the piece of pie of that basically $7.6 trillion industry. They're capturing a piece of that pie. And why not, guys? We have a lot of your favorite destinations here, and if you've always dreamed of going to some of these locations, you can actually be realizing those dreams. They don't have to be out of reach. They can be within reach. And you know what's great about this too as well is if you're promoting different businesses, many people have different income streams. Maybe you're a real estate agent. Maybe you've got heating and plumbing, whatever it is. You can introduce some of these restaurant gift certificates we have. You can spend $11, for example, and get $100 worth of restaurant gift certificates. And maybe you want to use that in your campaign in terms of your relationship marketing. It's about relationships. It's about giving value out there. So you can use this in a unique way to really, help others, regardless of the industry, obviously, that you're in. You can use them as incentives. You can use them as incentives. Hey, you know what, guys? I'll give you $100 worth of restaurant certificates if you, each time you refer someone, to my agency or what have you. It really is about referral. And this is global. This is a global opportunity. You can start with as little as $1, obviously, and it's at your $100 level is really where you're going to be seeing the 10,000, monthly, or potentially getting, to that point. But you can, and it's really with two referred individuals. It's two referred, people. And here, they're showing the finish line, of course, and here's the fast start commissions. No matter what your membership level, you can refer others and earn 50% fast start commissions on their sign up membership purchase. For example, 10 platinum, you get $500. When you refer a platinum member for 100, you earn the 50. I was talking about that. It's a 50% commission. When you refer a gold member for 20, you earn 10. When you refer a trial member for $1, you earn 50 cents. So you're earning a 50% commission on each person that is coming in. Okay. And then we also have team bonuses. We have these team bonuses, your direct referrals, all the way down to your 10 levels. So 10 levels in, so your payout is essentially 70% monthly. So, why are they paying out such a high percentage, guys? Because they want people to become financially free. This is literally wholesale pricing. This is as a huge community, as the thousands of members that decide to be part of this. As a community, you are saving an endless value on your hotels, your condos, your dream vacations, your cars, your eating out, the coupons, even when you go to the grocery store, because some people have to stop and get their groceries. Let's say they're staying in a condo, they're staying there for a week, they're going to prepare some of their meals, or they're going to go out. Either way, you're winning. You're winning with your discounts in terms of food consumption, whether you do it inside the condo or whether you're actually visiting a restaurant. So that's just really, really cool. 25% personal monthly volume. So the monthly residual is necessary to create financial freedom, and our mission is to help 1 million families. I believe we can go beyond that, but we can go to 1 million families creating financial freedom. So starting in the second month, you will earn 20% monthly of each personal referral, guys. That's 20% monthly for your direct referral bonus, plus 5% monthly if they are in your, 2x10 organization. The gold member income is $2,054 monthly is what you're approximately seeing, So you just tell others, you make the cash, everyone should win. Almost everyone can afford a $20 bill to save hundreds or thousands on hotels. The value makes it a very simple business. It is simple, guys. In terms of running a business. And of course, you can market this organically. You can, which means you can share it in social media, on Instagram, wherever you go. You can choose to do videos of places that you've visited where you've benefited from the discounts inside of here. Being a product of the product is really, really huge. That's a big part of it. So it's just the 2x2x2. And you can see, guys, just referring to where that takes you as I scroll down, your residuals of what you can see, every single month. And this is where you end up with, $2,054, just from, and this is worldwide, guys. This is worldwide. They pay you via check, or you can also receive a Bitcoin payment, or Zoom, which is basically your non-PayPal form for your non-PayPal countries. So those are the 3 ways that that the company will actually pay you. And lots of people are hopping on to Bitcoin. They're seeing, the extensive growth with it, and so I just wanted to sum this up for you. And, again, you can be going to the destinations of a lifetime for a fraction and helping